Welcome, mobile traders. This is Mobile Stocks, the platform that teaches and promotes people with full-time lives how to part-time trade in the stock market. I'm your instructor, Bradley LC. And for today, I want to give a brief perspective on how I feel the stock market built up, how it broke down today. It was just crazy. The unexpected happened that has me about 23% down on my SPY calls. But it's all good. I ain't tripping. Scared money don't make money. Today is Tuesday, October the 6th. I was pretty much going off of the momentum of Trump tweeting that he's recovering well from the corona yesterday. But today he dropped a bomb that got everything shaken up a little bit. And he got volatility following it. So I want to get into it, show you guys some charts and what I'm planning on doing in the future. Welcome, mobile traders. I'm your instructor, Bradley LC. And today we got news of no stimulus package. Trump said, F that. We're not going to do that till after elections. And because of that, I'm 23% down on my SPYs, which I'm not tripping too much because I have them expiring at the end of the month. It's still not a lot of time, but I think it's enough just in case I need to get out or try to leg my plays and put a put on it or another, try to create a spread or something like that. So I ain't really tripping too much. But what I am tripping on is the news, man, and how he dropped it. Like, I thought it was the alley hoop. Yesterday, he tweeted he was walking out of Walter Reed. Everything is fine. Everything is good. His team, he feeling 20 years younger. I was like, yeah. Today he said no stimulants. Get out of here with that. I don't want to talk about it. And the market said no. I knew something was kind of off today with the market because when Powell spoke, he kind of, and I actually didn't see the speech, just looking at the numbers when he spoke, the market started to consolidate a little bit. A little volatility kicked in, but I was like, that's not the pop that I was expecting for it to have. So I still wasn't tripping because, like I said before, I stated, I'm still a short-term bull, right? So I still think that the market has potential to grow a little more before it drops down. Just looking at the chart right here, Today was a lot, man. This is a big engulfing candlestick right here with a strong wick at top showing you resistance at previous resistance and support areas. So that's not a good thing. But I think in the long term, man, I think Trump is a smart guy and very manipulative in the way that he know what to say and how to say it. He's very aware of what he's saying at the time, and I think that he's gonna drop something else on Twitter soon that will make this thing recover in a way. If you're looking at it from a daily perspective, it's looking pretty bad. This is a big candlestick, and volatility is starting to follow behind it. But if you look at it like in my different time frames, like let's start with my 4-hour time frame, right? It's still it's trying to get past the line. I mean, I can't even lie. It's looking that blue line is my resistant line. I mean, it's trying to go past there. But from a technical perspective, right? I look at this and I say, what are you talking about? Like, of course the market probably won't go down. Everything is pointing towards the market going down. That's from a analytical perspective looking at the market, right? But when you messing with Trump and you messing with his Twitter fingers, anything possible. The US dollar was very strong today. TLT bonds, that popped up real strong today. And I mean, everything is it's like a tug of war match right now. And I think, like I said, man, I'm gonna continue to be a short-term bull, maybe a long-term bear. Just from a technical view, looking at things, it's not looking good. It's looking like the market finna go down again. Like I said, this blue line up here is my resistant line. And you can see that strong candle wick. It bounced right off of there. And it's coming down. Now it was at a previous support. So I think maybe for the next few days or so, it's going to consolidate. Because I just don't see it going down right now. Not right now. Not so close to the elections. I think that it's a lot of things going on. Different members of Trump administration is coming out with the coronavirus. They say Joe Biden is saying things out of his mouth that is making people wonder. So it's kind of up in the air right now. But I'm still going with the short term bull situation. So with that, with the short term bull situation, I'm actually looking at buying a few things, right? So one of the things I was looking at is Apple, right? Technology, the technology sector has been booming, been making a lot of money off of technology. But as you can see, recently, it's been going down, right? So if I compare Apple to, let me do my dual charts. If I compare Apple to SPY, you can see it's moving very similarly to each other. And I don't think that, like I said, I don't think that SPY is going down quite yet. And Apple is very liquid. I can actually get a nice option price off of that. Out of the money call, further out in the date for a nice price. So as you can see, it's kind of mirroring. Goddamn, mirroring. It's doing the same thing. Jeez, that word was hard to get out. It's doing the same thing. And I think I'm gonna buy some Apple calls. I think I'm a. Was I looking at Target? Target was making up and ups. I think I stopped looking at that. What else I was looking for? I think AMD. I think I'm gonna buy some AMD calls. So while everybody's selling, I'm looking to buy. While everybody buying, I'm looking to sell. So that's my whole strategy with it. So moving forward, I think I might start doing some call spreads, some put spreads, just to really cap off my losses. Not even about my wins, just to cap off my losses because right now things is kind of dicey and I don't know how it's going to end up, but I want to definitely prepare myself just in case for anything.